Franklin Roosevelt once said, "Happiness lies in the joy of achievement and the thrill of creative effort." To me, this means that students should be happy and find joy in their creativeness and learning accomplishments.
Hi, my name is Kate Thompson, and I'm a May 2018 graduate of Flagler College, where I earned my bachelor's degree in elementary education and endorsements in reading and ESOL. I'm from a small town 30 minutes outside Jacksonville, Florida, called McClenny.
At the age of 5, I began taking ballet and tap lessons at a local dance studio, and later joined the dance team at my high school. Being on the dance team has taught me the value and importance of teamwork and fellowship. I learned discipline, perseverance, and improved my skills greatly over the years. My dance team became a close-knit group, much like a family. We supported and cheered on one another. One of my passions is Disney. I've spent a lot of bonding time with my family at Disney and wish to never let that part of my childhood die. I hope to use my passion for Disney as a way to get my students excited about an activity or place that they love as much as I love Disney. I will do this by incorporating Disney in my everyday activities, such as giving my heterogeneous learning groups their names after Disney characters, while my homogeneous reading groups Disney villain names, and organizing my classroom library so that each category is named after an element of Disney. For example, fiction books would be under Fantasyland and nonfiction books would be in the Epcot section.
Education runs in my family. My grandpa was a PE teacher before he became a Florida senator, where he pushed a multitude of programs and laws for the education system. My mom has been a teacher for almost 20 years, and my dad is the dean of the automotive program at Florida State College at Jacksonville. I have always known that I want to be a teacher. In the first grade, I had the best teacher, my mom. After watching my mom interact with my fellow students, I began to take on the role of teacher when I played school with my little sister. In high school, I had the chance to take a class where I learned the basics of creating lesson plans and becoming an effective teacher. This class gave me the opportunity to go into a classroom and observe a teacher in action. The first classroom I went into was Miss Hand's third grade class. I instantly bonded with the students and fell deeper in love with teaching while I tutored the children that had trouble with certain topics, such as subtraction and multiplication. Miss Hand even let me teach a lesson on onomatopoeias. Then I had the chance to observe a 5th grade math and science class. I loved doing science experiments and helping out in the classroom. They were so entertaining and vibrant. There was never a dull day in that class. While at Flagler, I had the exciting opportunity to gain more field experience and accumulated 160 plus hours of practicum in various classrooms in St. Johns County. I worked with individual, small, and whole groups of students in the areas of reading, writing, mathematics, science, social studies, and the arts. I loved getting to know my way around a classroom and creating relationships with students and teachers. Just recently, I successfully completed a 16-week internship in which I had complete responsibility of the classroom. I taught lessons that I planned out using the curriculum and established classroom procedures and reinforced classroom rules using management techniques that I learned during my time at Flagler. As a teacher, I hope to educate children in a fun and inviting way that inspires them and gives them a desire to learn. I wish to be an adult that they can come to, confide in, and trust. I will use Franklin Roosevelt's quote as inspiration for my classroom, in which I will teach students how to work together, find joy in learning, and use their creativity to thrive in the classroom and beyond.